Hey guys, thank you for watching TENGU Japanese video lesson. Today I'm going to teach you how to use small tsu in Japanese. Okay, let's start TENGU Nihongo Koza.
Okay, let's start TENGU Japanese for beginners. TENGU Nihongo Koza. Today I'll teach you how to use the small tsu in Japanese. 日本語のつの使い方。The following video lesson taught you the 46 basic hiragana and katakana symbols. If you haven't watched these videos, please watch them first. Now, in order to read Japanese hiragana, you need to know the use of the small tsu. Tsu. When you see the small tsu in a word, you actually do not pronounce it, but pause slightly before saying the next sound. Here are some examples. 待って、待って、待って which means wait in Japanese. And now 待って you pause before before て so you say 待って、待って、待って okay? Now 切符、切符 which means tickets in Japanese. 切符、き and pause ぷ、切符、切符 right? Now next ちょっと、ちょっと which means a little. ちょっと、ちょ and pause and と、ちょっと、ちょっと、ちょっと okay? For example ちょっと待ってください which means please wait. ちょっと待ってください。ちょっと待ってください。Now 学校、学校 which means school in Japanese. 学校、学校、学校 okay? まっすぐ、まっすぐ which means straight ahead or go straight. Straight ahead. まっすぐ、まっすぐ、まっすぐ、まっすぐ、まっすぐ okay? Now, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching TENGU Japanese for beginners. Now, by the way, TENGU Japanese will enable you to learn Japanese language in easy to remember ways and give you the confidence to become a competent reader and writer of Japanese. So, please subscribe TENGU Japanese email newsletter and get free Japanese lesson, textbook, and audio files. You can also watch the free Japanese video lesson to learn how to speak Japanese for real communication. I'll put the link in the description box on the YouTube or click the link below. And thank you very much for watching TENGU 日本語講座。それではまた次回お会いしましょう。さようなら。